In last lecture, we discussed cuboidal epithelial tissue. This is a diagram of cuboidal epithelial tissue. This is the nucleus, connective tissue, cytoplasm. Nucleus is present in central position. Then next types of simple epithelial tissue is columnar epithelial. Columnar epithelial cells are tall pillar-like means it is also look like a column which is arranged cylindrically. This is the column-like arrangement. So columnar epithelium cells are tall pillar-like. Inner ends of the cells are narrow, while free ends are broad and flat. This is the free ends, and this is the inner ends. So free ends are flat असतो, broad असतो, and inner ends of the cells are narrow. Free surface shows large number of microvilli. That surface shows large number of microvilli used for absorption. Nucleus is oval and present in the lower half of the cell. Here is present the nucleus, lower half of the cell. Function of columnar epithelium is secretion and absorption. And what parts help for absorption? Here microvilli helps for absorption. It is found in inner lining of intestine. Columnar epithelium is present in inner lining of intestine. Gallbladder in intestine. What they absorb? They absorb some chemicals which is secreted from stomach, and from stomach they move towards intestine. Then gallbladder, gastric glands, intestinal glands, etc. This is a diagram of columnar epithelium tissue. Then next 4 types is ciliated epithelium. Cells of this tissue are cuboidal or columnar. Columnar means the arrangement of ciliated epithelium is cylindrical or elongated. Free ends of cells are broad, while narrow ends rest on the basement membrane. Free ends show hair-like cilia. This is the free end, which is broad, and what they contain? Hair-like cilia. Nucleus is oval and placed at basal end of cell. Here is present the nucleus, basal end of the cell. Function: to create a movement of materials in contact in a specific direction and thus able to prevent entry of foreign particles. Ciliated epitheliums prevents करते एंट्री ऑफ फॉरेन पार्टिकल्स, म्हणजे जे फॉरेन पार्टिकल येतात विच इज व्हेरी हार्मफुल टू ऑर्गन्स, ते त्यांना प्रिव्हेंट करतात. Push the ovum through oviduct. It is found in inner lining of buccal cavity. Where it is present? It is present in ciliated epithelium present in buccal cavity of frog, nasal cavity, trachea, oviduct of vertebrates, etc. Then next 5th types is glandular epithelium. Here the cells may be columnar, cuboidal or pyramidal in shape. यामधले सेल्स कसे असतात? कॉलुमनर असतात, क्युबॉइडल असतात और पिरॅमिडल्स असतात. न्यूक्लियस इज लार्ज. न्यूक्लियस becomes large and situated towards the base. Present towards the nucleus, present towards the base in glandular epithelium. When secretory granules are present in the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm present in the cells, and in that cells secretory granules are also present, which is helps for secretion. The glands may be unicellular or multicellular. सिंगल सेल असतात किंवा मल्टीसेल असतात. सिंगल सेल्स मीन्स युनिसेल्युलर कोणती आहे, ग्लॉबलेट सेल्स ऑफ इंटेस्टाइन, और मल्टीसेल्युलर दैट इज सलाइवरी ग्लैंड. डिपेंडिंग ऑन द नंबर ऑफ cells, depending on mode of secretion, multicellular glands can be classified as duct bearing glands and ductless glands. Means what they secrete, depending on that secretion, divided into two types. First is a ductless gland and duct bearing glands. The duct bearing glands called as exocrine glands and ductless glands is called as endocrine glands. So exocrine glands pour their secretion at a specific sites. एक्झोक्राईन ग्लँड्सचं सिक्रेशन हे एका स्पेसिफिक साईट्सवर होते, म्हणजे सलायवरी ग्लँड्स हे सलायवा सिक्रेट करते कोणत्या स्पेसिफिक साईटवर, फक्त माउथमध्ये. इंडोक्राईन ग्लँड्स रिलीज देअर सिक्रेशन डायरेक्टली इन टू ब्लड. इंडोक्राईन ग्लँड्स कोणकोणते आहे, पॅनक्रियाज झाले आहे, ब्रेनमधून जे काही हार्मोन्स आहे ते ब्लडमध्ये रिलीज होतात. सेम दिस इज द इंडोक्राईन ग्लँड्स रिलीज देअर सिक्रेशन डायरेक्टली इन टू ब्लड स्ट्रीम. एक्झाम्पल थायरॉइड ग्लँड, पिट्युटरी ग्लँड इटीसी. फंक्शन आहे ग्लँड्युलर इपिथेलियमचं सिक्रेट द म्युकस दॅट ट्रॅप द डस्ट पार्टिकल्स. सिक्रेट काय करते, म्युकस करते विच ट्रॅप द डस्ट पार्टिकल्स, म्हणजे फॉरेन पार्टिकल्स. कुठे ऑकर होते ते नोजमध्ये. म्युकस सिक्रेशनमुळे जे म्युकस सिक्रेशन आहे नोजमधलं ते डस्ट पार्टिकल्स ॲब्झॉर्ब करते जे बाहेरून येतात ते. Lubricate the inner surface of respiratory and digestive tracts, secretion of enzymes and hormones. Then sixth is sensory epithelial tissue. It is composed of modified form of columnar cells. हे कशाने बनलेलं आहे, modified form of columnar cells and elongated neurosensory cells. Elongated neurosensory cells पासनं. Sensory hairs are present at the free end of the cells. This is a free end and here is presence of sensory hairs. Functions of sensory epithelial tissue is it perceive external as well as internal stimuli, because here is presence of sensory cells and that sensory cells perceive external as well as internal stimuli. These are found in nose, that is olfactory, ear, auditory hair cells and eye photoreceptors.